Well, good morning, everybody. Anybody. Here, look at what we got going on. How much is a hen weigh? Yeah, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. That baby looks heavy with that big Haban deck. What do you think? Let's see. What is that? 1,015 pounds. With the big Haban deck, huh? Look at that. Blades. Look at the blades. All sharp, ready to go. All we need is to get rid of the snow and I could go to mowing, right? Yeah. Let's get this stuff out of here. Better move my truck. Yeah, we better move my truck. Boy, what a day, huh? Rain all week. 50-something degrees. Excuse me. 45. Yeah, we'll see if we can spin that around. This is my go-to mower piece in the summer. I got a really nice X Mark too, but I'd rather mow with this. All right. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Probably not. Probably not. that battery's not leaking either, guys. Isn't that great? Check out my tach. Oil temp, pressure, volts. Bimbo. All right, let's get her down. Here we go. It's off by a pound. Hey, check it out, Amazon. I think it was 40 bucks. Works perfect. Absolutely perfect. You think this will start? Been sitting all winter. All winter. See that, my friends? Those Kohler's commands are hell of a motor. Been sitting all winter. Battery's dead. Oh, choker's on. Can't say enough good about it. Sending units, cheap Chinese, it's junk. I gotta replace it, I got a new one. These things run about 50 pounds when they're right, and then the temperature gets up to 250 on these, and they'll run about 45 psi. That's not working so good. mow this thing for hours. I love this machine. It's a great machine. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a really good day, guys. See you later. Guys and girls, we gone.